Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So, anyways, the US dollar Canadian, we have this nice big impulsive move down, which to me does look like a five-wave move. That being said, I think this is likely either an A or 1. I think this is likely either a wave B or a wave 2. So more than likely, this is going to bounce off one of these fib levels. We got to look for, maybe like a 50 or 61% fib bounce if we get some sort of a one, two, three-way pattern up to one of these fib levels and a nice engulfing move to the downside. That's what I would expect to see, either a wave C or a wave 3. A wave C would potentially just take out this low and then reverse back up. A wave 3 would be a complete trend reversal and just keep on going down. Either way, potentially could be a pretty nice trade to get into if we can nail the end of this three-wave pullback. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.